Everyone, it's Angela, and today we're starting out with one of my favorite staple family meals. That is a ground beef and cabbage skillet, or an unstuffed cabbage roll, if you want to call it that. It's really, really easy to make, and if you love cabbage rolls, you'll love this too. We're going to start out with browning the ground beef, and depending on how lean the ground beef is, you're going to need to drain off any excess grease so that we don't have a really greasy end result. So brown your ground beef, wick away as much of the grease as you can while you're cooking it, and then we're going to add the onions in and saute them with the ground beef. Your ground beef does not need to be perfectly cooked through because it's going to continue to cook as we build the flavors here. We're going to start with our seasoning and broth. We're also going to add some tomato paste and tomato sauce. You can also use like finely chopped or diced tomatoes, whichever you prefer. You can even do a combo of sauce and some diced tomatoes for a nice texture. Mix this all up and we're going to continue to simmer this. Once all those flavors have had a little bit of time to kind of combine and marry, we're going to add the chopped cabbage. And remember that you need a large dish for this. And if your cabbage is going to like overwhelm your dish, add a bit, let it cook down, and then add more. So stir this into your saucy mixture and just let it cook down until it reduces and looks like this. I like to add plenty of fresh chopped parsley for a pop of color, but that is optional. You can also just add it at the end after you've dished it if you want. It does add a great flavor too that works really well with the ground beef and cabbage. Stir that in, dish it up, and enjoy a wonderful family meal that is like I don't know, it feels kind of warm and cozy. It's not just comfort food, it's a little bit retro. So, and I love that old retro vibe. So enjoy the meal. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe, like, tell YouTube and all those algorithm gods that you like the video. Thanks so much for watching.